Hey guys, I made a macrame flower. I wanted to make a flower that I could add to a wall hanging and one that didn't have too many hanging cords, and here's what I did. I cut 3 cords at 17 feet. Fold one of the cords in half and tape it down. Place the center of the second cord under the first cord and hold it in place. Create a number 4 with the left cord over the right cord. Then pull the end through the loop created. Do this twice, creating a double half-hitch knot. Repeat this with the third cord. Next, move the 2 cords to the center of the first cord and tape it down. I tied the ends of each cord so they'd be easier to work with. Use the top left cord as a holding cord. Bring your holding cord down and over the cord to the right of it. Make a number 4 with the now left cord over the holding cord and put the end through the loop created. Do this twice, creating a double half-hitch knot that goes for the right direction. Bring the next cord on the right under the holding cord so that it's now the left cord and make a double half-hitch knot. Repeat this with the rest of the cords to form a row. The left cord becomes the new holding cord. Bring it over the cord on the right and make a double half-hitch knot. Repeat this with the rest of the cords to form another row. After making 5 rows of double half-hitch knots that go toward the right and creates half of the flower's petal, make 5 rows of double half-hitch knots that go toward the left and makes the other half of the petal. The 2 sides should reflect each other. This time use the right cord as the holding cord. Bring it over the cord to the left of it. Make a backwards 4 with the now right cord over the holding cord and pull the end through the loop created. Do this twice, creating a double half-hitch knot that goes toward the left. When you reach the end of the row, thread your holding cord through a tapestry needle and put it through the end of the row that reflects it. Remove the needle and continue making another row of double half-hitch knots. At the end of each row, go through the end of the reflected row. You should have 5 rows. The holding cord of the last row doesn't need to go through the end of the reflected row. Repeat these steps to make 4 more petals. Then connect them. Thread each cord through the starting row of the flower. You'll notice 4 knots and a slight loop at the end of the starting row. 2 cords can go through that loop. For the top cord, I started from the back, brought the needle to the front, then draped it over to the back. Now all cords should be on the back. Starting from the left, I made a double half-hitch knot. I gathered the cords that I used and used that as the holding cord for my next double half-hitch knot. I continue this until I reach the center of my flower. Place the 6 cords through the hole so that it's now in front. I made a berry knot for the center. First I need to make a square knot. To do this, make a number 4 with the left cord over the middle cords and under the right. Pull the right cord through the number 4 created. Then do the opposite. Make a backwards 4 with the right cord over the middle cords and under the left. Pull the left cord through the backwards 4 created. Make 3 or 4 square knots. I split the 4 middle cords into pairs. I put the left pair through the top left hole, and I put the right pair through the top right hole. Then pulled them tight. I made another square knot. And I brought the cords to the back of the flower. And here's how the flower turned out.